Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that uses encryption techniques to verify transactions and control the creation of new units. Here are some key points about Bitcoin. Decentralized. Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, which means that it is not controlled by any government, financial institution, or centralized authority. Blockchain technology. Bitcoin uses blockchain technology to store and verify transactions. The blockchain is a public ledger that records every transaction made on the network. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins. This means that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. Mining. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations to validate transactions and earn new Bitcoins. Anonymous transactions. Bitcoin transactions are anonymous and do not require personal information to be shared. Volatile price. The price of Bitcoin is highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly. Acceptance. Bitcoin is accepted as a form of payment by a growing number of businesses and individuals around the world. Security. Bitcoin is considered to be very secure due to the use of cryptography and decentralized technology. However, it is still susceptible to hacking and other forms of cyber attacks. Wallets. Bitcoin is stored in digital wallets, which can be accessed through mobile apps or computer software. These wallets allow users to send and receive Bitcoins and track their balance. Thanks for watching.